When there is widespread pollution all over the world, using eco-friendly products has become the need of the hour. Erin is the Amazon seller on a mission to make the world a better place by selling eco-friendly home essentials. Erin had great products and was fighting for a good cause, but he was having trouble selling on Amazon because he didn't know how to interpret data and run ad campaigns. Zizi is not only the best e-commerce expert there is, but also a passionate environmentalist. When Zizi learned what Erin was going through, she decided to step in and assist Erin in his good cause. Zizi opened the Xena dashboard, which is the most advanced AI-powered Amazon growth tool in the world. Erin instantly loved how simple and elegant the dashboard was. Understanding data, launching ad campaigns, and monitoring them all felt as simple and enjoyable as playing a game. In one click, Erin got access to all these amazing tools. Zizi put Xena's AI engine to work, and within a few days, Erin's Amazon sales skyrocketed, while ad spending plummeted. Erin's business grew 6 times in 9 months, and he went from making $16,000 to $98,000 per week. We are delighted to see the Xena dashboard empowering socially responsible sellers such as Erin. Are you also on a mission to change the world? Zizi will give you a jetpack to soar high.